Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the hands and the motor on your battery operated clock. So if it's a cheap one like this, there's usually a frame and you have to get the glass off. So to do so, we just look at the back and there's going to be some screws here. We're just going to remove them. Once you have all the screws out, your frame will lift and your glass will come out. It may be plastic, but often it's glass, so just be careful of the sharp edges as well. So before you do anything with removing the hands, you want to make sure you remove your battery so that you're not trying to work while the hands are moving around. Then all we're going to do is we're going to take off the second hand by pulling it off like that. Then you're going to take your second hand and you can use a flat edge screwdriver to assist a little bit. And just go side by side slowly so you don't bend it and damage it. Just nice and gentle. And that pops off nice and simple. Then your next step, this particular clock has a couple of clips here. So we pull on them and your motor comes right out. We're going to be using this motor and these hands to make our own wood clock out of a skid. I'll put the link up ahead so you can see that video as well. But this will show you how to replace it. Once you get your new one, you can buy them on Amazon. You're just going to put it back again the same way it came out. So clip it into place. Flip it back over. Then your hour hand goes first because it came off last. Then you put your minute hand back on. And lastly, your second hand. And that's all there is to it. Then when you are ready, put your glass back on and your frame. We don't need to show you that, that's fairly simple. So hopefully you found this helpful, and as always, please like and subscribe.